So what I have here is a sample wood letter. This is real wood, finished and stained. This is a beautiful look. It is nice that you can use exterior or interior. You can stain it to whatever color stain you'd like, but there is some maintenance when you do have real wood. Every maybe 3 to 5, 6 years, depending on your sun exposure, you'll have to restain or reseal the real wood sample. And then a couple different samples that we have here. We have a composite wood that also has some texture you can see on it, but it is on a foam board. This has some durability, but definitely not as durable as an ACM wood that you see here. So we have a couple different samples, and you can see that these do not have texture compared to this sample. So the cost difference also for the 3 different types is a real wood is more cost effective. It's gonna be a lower cost, but again, you will have to put some maintenance into that. More for the exterior, the interior will last because it doesn't get sun exposure. And then you have the middle kind of price point, which would be the ACM panels. Again, work really well outside. You won't have to have maintenance. And then the higher end is going to be the textured composite material. So that might be the difference between the 3 materials or your choice.